CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.4. Given a scenario, install and configure common peripheral devices. Speakers and headsets. Speakers are a peripheral output device that convert digital data into audible sound. They allow us to hear music, system alerts, video calls, and any other type of audio generated by the computer. Whether built into a laptop or connected externally through a headphone jack, USB, or Bluetooth, speakers serve as the final stop in the digital audio journey, turning zeros and ones into sound waves we can actually hear. You may also hear them referred to as playback devices, especially when selecting or switching between audio options in your system settings. While speakers handle the output side of things, sometimes you need a little more versatility, especially when communication is involved. That's where headsets come in. A headset is a wearable device that combines both speakers and a microphone in one convenient package. This allows it to function as both an input and output device at the same time. Headsets are especially useful for video conferencing, voice chatting, online gaming, and remote work. Just like standalone speakers and microphones, headsets show up as separate playback and recording devices in your audio settings and can be configured to handle system audio output and voice input as needed. When configuring an audio output device like a pair of speakers or a headset in Windows 11, you have two main options: the legacy sound applet accessible through the Control Panel utility or the modern Windows settings tool. To open the sound applet, go to the Control Panel and select Sound. In the Playback tab, you can choose which output device you want the system to use. Also, it is common for a computer to have multiple playback devices, so it's a good idea to check here first if you're not hearing sound from the expected playback source. As for the Recording tab, this lets you do the same thing for microphones. Now, if you want to use the Windows Settings tool, you would navigate to System and then Sound. Under the Output section, you'll see a list of available playback devices. Here, you can select the one you want to use and even test the audio directly from this screen. Scroll down a bit further to the Input section, and you will have the ability to manage your recording devices, including which microphone is active. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.